Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer. So name of the company is General Electric India Careers. So I will be giving the link in the description. So when you click the link, you will be directed to the official website. If not, also you can type GE India Careers in Google, and if you give a search, you will be getting following result. When you scroll down, you can see an icon called jobs at GE building a world that works. You have to click on this icon. You have to click on the first result. So when you click, you will be directed to the official website. So here you can see an option called search job. Okay, there you need to type India. So in search job, you have to type the location as India, and you have to click on search job. When you give the search, you will be getting almost 556 results. See how many results you are getting. So it's very difficult for us to search, right? So what we're going to do is we have to click here. Here you can see most relevant. So when you click here, you will be having most recent posts, I think so, most recent. So there will be two options. One will be most relevant and most recent. You have to choose most recent, so that recently updated job notification will be popping out. So when you scroll down, you can see various jobs like lead analyst in Karnataka and staff software engineer in Telangana, strategic account manager in Pune. So like that, many job opportunities will be coming. So when you scroll down, you can see an post or option called shift operation supervision fabrication shop. So you have to click on shift operation supervision fabrication shop. So when you click on that, and job location is in Gujarat, so those who are willing to work in Gujarat can go for it, and freshers can apply. You need some experience, so I will be telling in detail. So when you click on, you will be seeing here below that you will be having an icon called apply now. You can apply if you want to further proceed. When you scroll down, you can see the job description. That is, you need to perform operations in the plant and ensure the reliability and consistency of the production line, and you need to finish and complete the task and duty assigned to you. And basic qualification is you must have BE or diploma in mechanical with minimum 3 years of similar experience. So in this field you need some experience. Freshers can apply. And ability to manage in team and drive the desired outcome, knowledge of fabrication and welding process, knowledge of heat treatment process, experience in heavy fabrication and assembly. So these things you have to give you a keynote of it. And if you come back, you can also see now most there will be an option called most relevant and most recent. So you have to choose most recent, and when you scroll down, you can go for the next page. So page 1 we didn't find that much job, so we need to search for page 2. So when you search, you can see graduate engineer training, and job location is in Karnataka. Okay, so if you are willing to work in Karnataka, you can read further, and it's a graduate engineer training. If you are willing to work, you can click on the icon apply now. Let us see what all things they are asking. So they are asking graduate engineer training, and regarding the regarding the company, they haven't gave that much. So if you want to scroll down, means you can see further details, and there will be an icon called apply now. So when you click on the icon apply now, they will be asking some basic information like your first name, last name, registered mail ID, and your address. All such details they will be asking, and you need to fill it. And they will be asking do you have any previous experience and all. And if you are having, means then you have to attach in whatever format they are saying. And finally you need to close the application form. So you have to fill all these details. Okay, so fill all these details, and finally if you submit, means they will be intimating everything through registered mail ID and phone number. If you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video with mechanical engineers, and especially those who are living in north like Gujarat, Rajasthan and all. And do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator, and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.